What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects. Feels like these days, free mints popping up every single day and I'm just keep finding them. The ones I'm going to show you, I think they have decent potentials. But before I'm going to show you the project, I'm going to ask you if you can do me a favor, follow me on Twitter. I would really appreciate. And also, this video is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So first project that I'm going to show you, it's called 8-Bit Guys, and it's a free mint. As you can see, they're going to be minting on July 20th, and at the time of recording this video, they have 87,000 followers, and they're getting quite a bit of engagement on their posts. Second project called Rug NFT, and at the time of recording this video, they have 58,000 followers. They're going to be minting on July 15th, and if we scroll down, as you can see, their posts getting quite a bit of engagement, like this one right here, 7 hours ago, has 1,500 likes, 1,300 retweets, and 1,200 comments. So it's getting quite a bit of attention. And also there's a pre-mint link, so if you click on it, you can register and hopefully you can get yourself whitelist spot for this specific project. And the last project that I'm going to show you, it's called 1 Ethereum floor price free mint. Here's their little roadmap: sellout collection, hit 1 Ethereum floor price, reveal, and release utility. So they already have a Discord, and at the time of recording this video, they have 6,000 followers. And if we scroll down, as you can see, their posts getting a lot of interaction as well. So this is not art or any kind of animate. This is like Degen mint, and what they're hoping to do, sell out and hit 1 Ethereum floor price. Most likely it's not going to happen, but we will see, because some of the Degen mint are actually hitting that high. Also, all the projects that I showed you, if I'm going to be able to get whitelist spot, then I'll be minting them. I'm not going to be actually buying them on secondary market and holding and hoping price is going to go up, because most likely in a week or maybe even less, price is going to go back down to zero and specific mint is not going to worth anything. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm going to leave links in the description below. And if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.